Thutha wa igoti ikaru kwanira ati no nginya githurano kia president gicokerwo thocio IEBC kwanira githurano kiu gigatafanio tariki mirongo 23 mweri turorete ngwataniro ya mungithaniro riu ni yukite na wathi mweru wa kuga ni mekugitira itua ria igoti kumana na kinyururi kiria Jubilee irongorereirie itua riu.
Kama wananasa tuko tayari, maana tunajua sisi ndio tuko na wafuasi wengi. Tuko tayari kwenda kama kiwanja itakuwa sawa sawa. Lakini dalili ambayo tunaona hairidhishi. Kwa hivyo tumemwambia Bwana Uhuru Kenyatta, ukijaribu tena kudhulumu na kushutumu mahakama kuu, wa Kenya watakuadhibu wewe.
Even when it comes to writing dissenting opinions, it's very unusual for a judge of the Supreme Court to attack her colleagues directly. Sasa hayo mimi niliona ni magumu sana.
Naona thutha wa igoti ikaru kuga kamiti ya IEBC ndikwamurithia maabitha aria marekoirwo guthoga githurano kihituku na sanironekana guthii mugaru na itua ria igoti makiuga no nginyagia maabitha ya mohe thabari ya mucii. NASA riu ni hete mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi kiria kotobiko mathaa 72 ma guthitanga murugamiri munene wa IEBC Ezra Chiloba, Immaculate Kasait, Abdi Gulie na James Muhati gatagati kage.
The DPP ought to tell the nation whether he will be able to discharge his duties independently, impartially, as contemplated under Article 157 of the Constitution. So it is up to the DPP then to tell us whether in fact it is now not proper that we proceed with our private prosecution, and that the DPP himself, if found to be related, to step aside.
Mutongoria wa ngwataniro ino Raila Odinga ni ugite NASA ndiri na umenyo wa uria tariki mirongo 23 ciiguanirwo, akiuga tariki iyo irathaganirio ni kambuni ya Otmofo, miario iria nyititwo baru ni mubunge wa Dagoretti ya Rugongo Simba Arati.
This date was given by Otmofo, Mofo company, which we want out of this game. Okay? And I think in its consultations, because it also happens to be Uhuru Kenyatta's birthday, so they want to give him a birthday present.
26th of October, if indeed the changes that we have put across to IEBC, they have not been met. What we are saying, we'll go into an election when the playing field is smooth to every participant that will be in the game.
Riu NASA ni yugite ndiraregeria bara ya kugitira itua ria igoti kumana na miario ya President Kenyatta na atongoria ya Jubilee. Muthenya wa rucio niguo ngwataniro ino ikahura mugithi wa kabini cia Oshafi inyagia Kakamega kuria magathi umathini wa kura. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ni njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.